खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Beloved servant of divine light of 10 Guru Granth Sahib Ji, humble servant of Shabd Guru, silent saga Turki Bani Aitan Sagle Chint Mitai. We are sit in congregations of great Guru Granth Sahib Ji. We are sit in company of holy Guru Granth Sahib Ji, master of masterless, master of great master, sovereign God, pervading God, unaccessible God, unfathomable God, unspoken fearless God, great giver, searcher of heart, inner knower, treasure of peace, treasure of all gift, treasure of mercy, treasure of gift. We should thanks to God because of we have got great destiny. That's why we are here. We are listening Bani. We are listening sermon of Ambrosible God. We are listening sermon of great Guru Katha. And some devotees and some followers are doing seva in Langar Hall, doing chapati, making chapati, some doing seva in Jorakar. Some ordinance doing seva in Jorakar. Some sit in, some followers and some ordinance sit in Guru Hazur. It also seva. This is a seva. Listening to Gurbani is the best seva, best seva. So we have got great ambrosible time, priceless time. So we shouldn't waste this time because of we can't buy this time. Never buy this time, priceless time. So we shouldn't waste this time and come to on Guru Granth Sahib Ji's Shabad. First we would like to tell you about 5 VCS. We will discuss, we will deliberate, we will deem on great Guru Shabad, what is saying about to Shabad and what will we do and what are doing about Shabad and what we are doing in our life. And what we have been doing constantly from very beginning in our life. And why we came here, why we came here, and what we are doing. We will discuss on, we will deliberate how we can get deliberation, how can get mercy of great Guru. Guru is saying about 5 VCS. Guru is saying about 5 VCS. मृग, मीन, पिरिंग, पतंग, कुंचर, एक दोख विनाश, पंच दोख असाध जामे, ताकि के तक बात. Guru is saying, say again, another पंक्ति, another word. अवर पंच हम एक जना, क्यों राखे कर बार मना. And what they do? मारें, लूटें, नीत किस आगे करी पुकार जना. This is our condition. This is true. This is our condition. Why we came here and what we are doing and what is our life and what is condition of our heart and our life and our family. Guru is saying about another worship. पंच भी खादी एक गरीबा. Guru is saying, I'm not. Guru is saying about 5 VCS, what they do and what we are doing. And how they do, how they spoil our life. How they spoil our life. Guru is saying about 5 VCS. पंच भी खादी एक गरीबा. Rakho Rakhnare. We are praying for great Guru. राखो रखनहारे, वाट दे डू, खेद करें और बहुत सतावें, आयो I come in your sanctuary, आयो शरण तुम्हारी. This is our condition, this is our life. Guru is saying another pankti, another line. खेद करे और बहुत सतावें, आयो शरण तुम्हारी. पंच जनास्यों संग न छुटकियो. Guru is saying about 5 VCs. पंच जनास्यों संग न छुटकियो, अहंग अदक बुद्ध बाधे. This is our condition. Guru is saying about 5 VCs. पंच जनास्यों संग निवारे, 10 इंद्री करे वास. Guru is saying another one पंक्ति. सर्वर पंखी हेकड़ो, फाई वाल 50. How can we save our heart, our mind? Because of our mind, our deep mind, our body is stuck, intoxicated with 5 VCs. Our mind, unconscious mind, ordering and doing working under 5 VCs. And how can get mercy of great Guru? How can get mercy of great Guru? We don't go. That's why we don't go Gurdwara, because of our heart, our conscious mind working under 5 VCs. Our heart, our deep mind, soul, our deep soul don't know about great Guru, what is Guru saying and what we are doing. Our mind, our conscious mind don't know about which type of action, which type of deed we are doing. That's why, because of our deep mind, our conscious mind working under 5 VCs, how can possible we can get mercy of Guru, and how can possible we go to Gurdwara? How can get mercy of great Guru, and how can get company of holy, how can get congregations of great Guru? This is not possible. But when will you face to Guru Granth Sahib Ji? When will you listen teaching of great Guru? When will you shrine glorious precious in our heart? When will you take dust of feet of great Guru in our heart? Everything possible. Everything possible. But without great Guru, without the mercy of great Guru, nothing. You can't do anything without great Guru. You can't do anything yourself. You have to go in Guru Ka. You have to go in shrine of great Guru, company of great Guru. So we have done little